So hi guys, hopefully you hear me now. I've had some trouble with starting the video, but anyways, I'm here. I am here to show you how you can create a really cool slide master for your next case solution, as well as a slide map. So I'm hoping this will provide useful to you in your future case solving careers. So let's get started. I will just hopefully can't move it from here. Well, anyways, so sorry. First, what I usually do is I just type in Slidemaster here, and then it will open to you the Slidemaster view. So what you can see here is basically the basis of the Slidemaster function. So this is the master slide. Whatever you set here will appear on each and every slide down here that you can see on the left side. So whatever you set on the first slide will appear also on these slides on the left down. Okay, so what I usually put here is I basically create the basis for the slides. So here is the line for the action title up here. And then what I usually like to do, color it any color you want, it doesn't really matter. It's based on the colors that you are choosing for your presentation. So now you can see that I've set this line here, and then it's on every side and you can't edit it. So once you've put it here, it's not editable anymore. You have to edit it from here. If I put it here, you can see it moves also on these slides, but you can't edit it. Okay, so first step, I usually put it here. It's there. Above it, I usually put the action title. I usually put, if you follow my clicker, I usually put the logo here of the company. You can also set it here. And then another important thing is that you have your footer, your at the bottom of the slide. That helps the jury see which part of your presentation you are at. So what I usually do is I add the line here, but I will not edit it here because I will need to change it, and whatever you set here cannot be changed later in the presentation, later in the slides. So see, I can't edit it. That's why this line I can't edit. That's why I'm going to move further down. I will choose an empty slide. I like to choose empty slides. And then what I will do is basically I will insert 3 text boxes. So one here for analysis. Okay. One here for strategy, for instance. I'm just not placing them nicely, but you know, it doesn't matter. And then one here for impact, for instance. And then what I will do is highlight which one I'm at. I will just do this. So this is the analysis slide. I will then copy and paste, duplicate this layout. I will delete the highlight from this one and add it to the next one. And that's how I signify which part of the presentation I am at. Another thing you'll have to do here is renaming the layout. So here you will click on rename layouts, and then I give it the name analysis. Okay, cool. And then this one will get the name strategy. So then this one is, oh sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. So this one will be rename layout. This one will be strategy. And then I do it for all parts of the presentation. So on the first slide, you set whatever you want on every side to be that way. I usually set the first line above which we write the action title, as well as the company logo, which I will signify with, let's say, this shape. So this is the logo. I will put it here. The company logo is always here. And then I will choose another slide, an empty slide, on which I will do my footer parts, which signify which part of the presentation I am at. I will duplicate the basic one and highlight in a way. Maybe if you put it on bold, you will use a different color, but highlight which part of the presentation you are at. And then, this is the tracker, you will rename the layout accordingly so that you will find which one you are talking about. Why is this useful? Now that you can see, it's added to the slide. It's not very good for us because it's just a basic slide. But now when you click on new slides, you will see here that there is an analysis and a strategy one. So I click on the analysis one and wow, I have my basic slide there. So that's basically why Slidemaster is very useful to you. Some extra functions